This is how I tie the trending center twist gele on my head using asooke. This is a very quick Owambe gele style that you can do within 5 minutes. I create some pleats, about 4 to 5 pleats, and then I place this at the back of my head, and the ratio for this gele style is 50-50. The two sides are equal, and then I proceed to arrange my pleats, the pleats that I created from the back, and I make sure that these pleats are well arranged and they lay flat on my head. After arranging my pleats, I then moved to crossing the asooke together. I cross it about 2 to 3 times. I don't tie this. You don't need to tie this gele at the middle. You only need to cross it. So this is how it should be after crossing. Make sure that when you twist your gele, it is very firm and tight so that it doesn't move from your head. I'm going to roll the first hand of my gele. I'm going to roll it up really tight, and then I'm going to secure it with pins. If you don't have pins, if you don't have pins in your house, go and get pins right now if you like this style, because you will need pins for this. So you need to go and get pins if you don't have pins. Don't say I did not tell you. So I'm going to use pins. I think I used about 5 pins, some at the front and also some at the back, to secure the style that I am doing. Then you are going to repeat what we did at the first side of the asooke in the second one. You pick the hand, you create some pleats, and then you try to make it as neat as possible. You roll it up really tight, and then you secure it with pin. At this point, if una dey enjoy my video, make una give this video a thumbs up. It will help my video a lot. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave any questions that you have. There might be questions that you want to ask me. Put it down in the comment section. I will answer. I beg, help my channel to grow. Please also subscribe if you are not a subscriber yet. I create mostly beauty related content. Please, guys. The part where you might have issues when you are tying this gele is using the pins. It's easy to create the plate to twist the gele 2 times or 3 times, but when you now have to use pins to secure it, that is when you might find it difficult. But it's a really simple and quick style that you can tie to any party, and besides, you'll be saving yourself some cash also. So this is how it looks right now. If you still need to do some adjustments like I'm doing now, you can do some adjustments. You can pin it down. It doesn't really matter how it's looking at the front. You can just do some adjustments to make it look. Make sure you use pins to secure it at the back also. If you would like to see the one with ruffles, the center twist gele with ruffles, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.